So friend, it was late January when Samsung began teasing the Galaxy S25 Edge. The only thing we really knew about the device is that it was reported to be extremely thin, and this week we are getting our first look at marketing renders of the device in 3 different colors. Funny enough, we don't get to see the device from the side, so we still can't see just how thin it is. However, reports put it at just 5.8 mm. For reference, Galaxy S25 measures in at 7.2 mm and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is 8.2 mm. To achieve such a thin body, the battery size needed to come down, with the size reported to be 3900 mAh. So far, we are getting to see 3 colors, and those are titanium jet black, titanium silver and titanium icy blue, and specs for the S25 Edge include a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display and with Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, and plus there are dual rear cameras, and beyond the use of Qualcomm chip, we are getting Galaxy S25 Lite vibes for the Edge, and we all have to wait to see what else Samsung is offering and pricing to determine where extremely this phone falls in the lineup. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.